Wildfires are continuing to affect Portugal, with at least 8 still active in northern and central areas of the country. The Portuguese Meteorological Office has announced that 22 regions are in maximum alert for fires. Extremely high temperatures have been blamed. More than 1,000 firefighters and 250 vehicles are tackling the flames. Portugal has requested help from Spain and France as the wildfires cut a swathe of destruction across the country. According to Portugal's Institute for the Conservation of Nature and Forests, nearly 31,000 hectares of forest land have gone up in smoke this year.